Hi friends, good morning. Hopefully all of my friends will be fine. Friends, I am present here one of my project. This is a two-story villa and ground floor high level cast in situ slab is ongoing. In the first floor slab, this is the post tension slab as you can see in the video. You can see the tendon strand layout and the laid on site, and the steel is ongoing as per the PT designer details. So in bottom mesh they provided 10 steel, X and Y axis mean main and distribution bar on 30 center to center both ways, and they provided concrete cover 25 as well. So actually the purpose of the post tension slab is for the long span thinnest slab and the less concrete as well. And in this slab, I mean, you can say it's the lightweight slab, and we can make high rise buildings through this slab, and we can get a more span. There is a deep details that I cannot discuss in the short video, so I will make another video. I will just shortly brief about the post tensions, mean the items. So here you can see the wedge. This is the live end where they will do the stressing. I mean, after 7 days we will get the compression strength report, and then they will, if the strength achieved, they will come and they will give the stress, and they will pull the wire as per requirements. I will go near. See, this is the live ends wedge. Here they will put the pocket, and then they will stress it. This is the spiral ring, you can see 12 Here you can see this is the dead end. This is like onion. They make it little bit spread to make a bond with the concrete, and the other end you will see same like that where they will stress it. So here you can see, here they extended the wire. You can see they make a hole in the ply, same like that. Here you can see this. When they will remove the shuttering, after that, after 7 days, they will come and they will stress it through the jack. And this is the vent, grout vent. Here they will put the vent, and this is the duct, tendon duct. Inside there is 2 wires as per the designers, I mean the sector design. You can see in the duct there is 2 tendons, 1 and 2. This is a spiral, and same this is dead end side, the grout vent. They will fill the grout. So as per layout, there is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tendons, and here is 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4 tendons you can see this ducts 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the drawings there is indications. So as per designer, they mark the round. Inside the duct there will be 2 wires, 3 wires, 4 wires, and so on. So here you can see the chair. This side you can see the dead end. It's coming in the beam, but it's no problem. This is as per drawing. See the dead end and the spiral ring, and then there is the chair. Here is the chair on the end. This is also as per design. One is there, and one alternatively you can see there is the chair as well. So I will little zoom it. I mean, it's in curve, and one is in down. This is as per design. And here you can see the color, blue color. You can see aligned to the tendon duct. The tendon should be aligned. When they will remove the shutting, we can see this is the tendon alignment. Okay, and even in future if there is coring, so we know where is the exact tendon location. Okay, so in that area there is the steel is ongoing. Friends, here is another thing. You can see this wide thermocol board. After the concrete, after 7 days, when we'll get the strength of the concrete, they will come, they will remove this board easily in the concrete, and then they will put the pocket wedge on the live end, and they will stress it as per required stressing. So not all around the alignment of the live ends, you can see they extended the wire. Then they will stress it. When they will stress it, after that they will cut it and fill the grout, non-shrinked grout or something like that. So here in this villa, I mean, you can see the small dot is, I mean, the dot is here 1, 2, 3, same it will create here, mean in this white location. This is the live end, and other end there is no thermocol board. So here you can see in the drawings the steel fixer are fixing the steels, mean the top steel. You can see, mean there is the details from the PT designer, because the work is not completed 100%, and I have visited here. Once the site will be ready from civil perspective and MEP perspective, I will come again, I will inspect it properly, then I will make a checklist as well for the PT designer will check as well. So once the site is ready 100%, then we will allow them to do the concrete. So these are the details. So I will make another video on this one once all the MEP services will done and all the steel work will be done. I will inspect again. So hopefully this video is very useful for all of you. So thank you to support my channel. Here you can see the steel is rusted. I am very against of this, but yesterday here was the rain, that's why it's happened. But I told them to bring to clean this steel and bring the special adhesive material to apply on it, and next cover the steel to the steel shouldn't affected through the rain or the water, something like that. Okay भाई साहब, ये थोड़ा डालो ऊपर, ये पॉलीथीन वगैरह डालो ताकि ये ख़राब ना हो स्टील,
इसके ऊपर डाल देंगे।
ओके।